Hello, this is Saravanan, pursuing MBA at Valtech Technical University, and my project topic is study analyzing the performance of export marketing strategy at Panache Shipping India Private Limited. Marketing strategy introduction. This is defined as the process that can allow the organization to consolidate on its resources and optimal opportunity with the goal of increasing sales and achieving a sustainable competitive advantage. Marketing strategy includes all basics and long-term activities in the field of marketing that deals with the analyzing of the strategy intention situation of the company and the formulation, evaluation and selection of market-oriented strategies and therefore contribute to the goals of the company and its marketing objectives. An organization strategy that combines of all its marketing goals and into the comprehensive plan. A good marketing strategy should be drawn from the market research and focus on the right product mix in order to achieve the maximum profit potential and sustain it in the business. The marketing strategy is the formulation of the marketing plan. Container industry profile. Container shipping was first introduced in 1950s and since the later 1960s, it has become the most common method for transporting many industrial and consumer products by sea. Container shipping is performed by container shipping companies that operate frequent scheduled or liner service similar to the passenger airline with the predetermined protocols using the number of owned or chartered vessels of the particular size in each service to achieve an appropriate frequency and utilization level. And this is company profile. Panache is about people, a brand built by people for people. Established in 1998 by a group of entrepreneurs from Singapore, Thailand, Malaysia, Hong Kong, and Philippines. Panache has had a long and illustrious history and integrated one-stop freight forwarding service company for more than 10 years. Network of the company: Africa, Asia, Australia, Middle East, Europe, New Zealand, North America. Service delivered by the company: sea freight, packing and packaging, general and hazardous cargoes, marine insurance, fumigations, customer clearance, RNG. Air freight service: worldwide import and export of air cargo, packaging and general and hazardous goods, marine insurance, fumigation, custom clearance, handling and sea services. Need of the study: export market strategy plays the vital role in organization. It helps an organization to concentrate on its resources on the optimal opportunities with the goal of increasing sales and achieving sustainable competitive advantage. So it's need to be find out the performance of the current export marketing strategy and helps to recover from the problem and establish the export marketing strategy. Statement of the problem: to increase the sales, marketing strategy should be effective and the need to reach the customers, so mandatory to find the reach of the performance of marketing strategy so that marketing strategy can be evaluated and helps to establish the new marketing strategy. Objectives of the project: primary objectives: the analysis of performance of the export marketing strategy of the company. Secondary objectives: to find out the reach of current export marketing strategy, to find out the aspect need to be improved, establish the export marketing strategy of the company. Scope of the study: the study can be evaluate the performance of the export market strategy of the company. So the study can find the reach of market strategy in order to establish the export market strategy and to find the new customer and maintain the existing customers. Limitation of the study: a change in freight rate can affect the customer preference and satisfaction level, so that the export market strategy should be modified and established according to the changes in the market. Respondents may be busy with their work, so the researchers has to spend more time to collect the data. And this is the research methodology model. My sample size is 70. Sampling method: convenience sampling. Period of the study: 3 months. Statistical tools used for the analysis: percentage analysis. And these are the review of literatures. And this is the questionnaire paper for the project for collecting data from the respondents. Panache has high amount of resources for export marketing development. And entrepreneurs from the above table, it's inferred that 9% of the respondents strongly disagree, 7% of the respondents are disagree, 31% of the respondents are neutrally agree, 40% of the respondents are 9% of the respondents strongly agree, and from the high amount of resources for the export market development. And these are the questionnaires and interpretations. And this is the finding. Table 1. It's inferred that the most of the respondents are agreed that the firm has high amount of resources for export development. Table 2. It is indicate that most of the respondents are agreed that the firm has sufficient amount of international experience. And table 3. It's found that the most of the respondents are neutrally agree that the firm has careful planning for the export. It's found that most of the respondents are neutrally agree that the firm is providing promotion support to the customers. And table 5, it's indicate that most of the respondents are neutrally agree on the performance of distribution of the firm is good. And table number 6 is found that most of the respondents are agree and the firm has adopt the high amount of promotional strategy. Table number 7, it is inferred that the most of the respondents are agree on the firm's creative expression is good. And table number 8, it is indicate that most of the respondents are agree on the firm's high degree of price competitiveness. Table number findings. Table number 1, it is inferred that most of the respondents are agree the firm has high amount of resource for the export development. And these are the suggestions. An organization need to improve the planning for the export because planning is most important for the export. And the company can consider the promotional support while forming the export marketing strategy. The method of distribution can be considered while implementing the export marketing strategy. The export marketing strategy can over service maintenance requirements. The firm needs an improvement to picking system. The export marketing strategy can focus on fast delivery system. Conclusion. The export market strategy adopted by the Panachian Shipping Private India Limited is good. An organization needs to concentrate on some factors while implementing the export marketing strategy like planning for the export, promotion support to the customers, distribution method, service maintenance requirements, and packaging system and fast delivery system. Thank you.